Hey there, wonderful folks. I'm Hesti Hadininggar, and today I'm here to take you on a journey into the exciting world of English syntax, where words come together to create a meaning and spark of creativity. So now, let's jump right in by starting with noun phrases, an important part of how we build a sentence. So, what is noun phrase? Noun phrase is a group of words centered around a noun and acting as a single unit in a sentence. It usually includes head noun or the main noun, determiners, and modifiers. Example for head noun or the main noun is like the word car in a red car. And examples for determiners is the word a in a red car. And then example for modifiers is the word red in a red car. And other example is like the blue house. The is the determiners, and house is the noun, the main noun, I'm sorry. And then the blue is adjective or modifiers. So that we have covered about the noun phrase, let's move to the another essential component, the adjective phrases. Adjective phrases is a group of words centered around an adjective and used to describe or give more information about noun. The main adjective is the core of the phrases, and it may include modifiers like adverbs and complements like prepositional phrases. For example for main adjective is like the word tall in fairy tall, and example for modifiers is the word fairy in a fairy tale. So let's move to the another essential component, verb phrases. Verb phrases is a group of words built around a main verb, expressing action, occurrence, and state of being. This includes the main verb and auxiliary verbs or helping verbs, and then modifiers. Example for main verb is like the word run in will run quickly. And then example for auxiliary verb is will, the word will in will run quickly. And then example for modifiers is the word quickly in will run quickly. So adverbial phrase is a group of words that function as an adverb, modifying verb, adjective, or another adverb. It provides additional information about how, when, where, and to what extent an action takes place. For example, like in a few minutes, it describes when something happens. And then like far from here, it's like to describe where something happens. And then the last example is like with great care. It describe how something happens. Okay, let's next into the next material. Prepositional phrases. Prepositional phrase is a group of words that begins with a preposition and includes a noun and pronoun as an object of the preposition. And prepositional phrases often function as an adjective or adverbs, providing additional details about location, time, direction, and manners. Okay, so I have 3 examples. The first is like on the table. On the table is describes locations like where something is, and then the second is before the sunset. Before the sunset is like describes time and like when something happens. And then the last is with friendly smile. With friendly smile is describes manners. It's like how something happens. And that's all about prepositional phrases. Let's continue to the next material. Noun clause is a group of words that act as a noun in a sentence, and it often begins with a subordinating word like that, who, what, or why, and it can often function as an object, subjects, and complements in a sentence. Okay, for example, it's like what she said, as in what she said surprised everyone. It acts as an subject. And then like another example is like that he can swim, as in I know that he can swim. It acts as an object. And the last is like where they went, as an the question is where they went. It acts as an complement. Okay guys, so this is the last material that I have explained it, and I hope it can be understood. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.